Are you still using diesel forklifts? EP Equipment found a solution to combine all the advantages of IC trucks with the great features of an electric forklift. With a diesel forklift chassis, the EFL302 is the first lithium-ion forklift made for tough working conditions with a simple design and robust components. Its drive axle, steering axle, transmission and hydraulic system have been proven and continuously improved for over 20 years. It is equipped with big tires, high ground clearance and a large operator compartment. The truck can be used indoors without any emissions and outdoors in the rain or on uneven ground, combining the best of two worlds. With a lithium-ion core, it can be opportunity charged up to 20% in 28 minutes to continuously operate for 3 hours per charge. EP uses LFP lithium-ion cells to provide a maximum in safety for the operator. Developed and produced by EP Equipment to guarantee safety in any situation. The truck can be equipped with the unique EP telematics system. The system checks truck efficiency, remote diagnosis, as well as statistics on the operation behavior and optimization of the fleet. The telematics system makes you smarter and saves you money. At the purchase price of an IC truck, the EFL302 features lower maintenance and saves over 80% on energy. While diesel forklift trucks cost $25 per day on fuel, the EFL302 will run on clean and cheap electricity. Regular IC trucks equal the emission of 25 cars, while EFL302 is a zero-emissions truck with silent operation and less strain for the operator. With over 20 years of experience in forklifts manufacturing and self-developed lithium-ion batteries, EP Equipment turns old diesel trucks into clean lithium-ion forklift trucks for the future. Join us to lead the way into a cleaner and cheaper future of material handling. Contact EP to get a demo truck. The future has begun. Don't wait.